Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of expert: obtained or involving authoritative information. For example, he had received expert academic advice. American pronunciation: expert, expert. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Expert. Say, expert. Expert means having or involving such knowledge or skill. Expert. Expert. Expert origin: Middle English as an adjective, from French, Latin expertus, past participle experiere, try. This noun was first used in the 19th century. Compare it with experiment and experience. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Army bomb disposal experts spent several hours examining the scene of the attack. Now, repeat after me. Army bomb disposal experts spent several hours examining the scene of the attack. The second practice. Memory experts use visual mnemonics as a way of remembering lists of information. Now, repeat after me. Memory experts use visual mnemonics as a way of remembering lists of information.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.